Welcome back to the channel. Professor Jason X here. Anything and everything, and we're back again reacting to Yana's apology video. So, let's go.
Ito na, medyo tapos na kami magkasabunan. Hindi ka na? Well, harapin natin talaga. Yun. Hindi kami contendidor.
So, kudos dun sa guy, I'm not sure if brother niya ba yun, if boyfriend. Again, not familiar, but tama yung sinabi niya, hindi tayo konsentidor. And just to set the record straight, ito naman yung hinihingi ng tao an apology from this person. So, well, hindi natin maiwasan if natatawa pa rin yung iba, but at least meron siyang attempt to apologize, but let's see.
Pero
siyempre, kailangan
we correct in private. Siyempre, kailangan yung malaman na ginagawa naman namin yung mga tama at the best na paraan paano manghingi ng sorry. So, tinuro na namin kay Yana kung ano yung mga mali. Hindi kami nagkukonsinte. Hindi lang namin yan ginagawa yung
punta natin, hanapin mo na.
Tignan natin. Punta natin, hanapin mo na.
Punta na natin ha.
Yan, so, punta na natin ha. Pero
I'm sorry pasensya na medyo feeling disingenuous lang kasi yung apology niya lalo na when you can see posts niya that are still in her Facebook page. Meron siyang post a couple hours ago na kunwari nasa Hong Kong siya, unbothered, and then netizens were quick to point out na this is a throwback pic kasi mainit ngayon sa Hong Kong. And then may mga pictures siya sa airport, Talagang she's showing na wala siyang pakialam. What she did came back to bite her in the ass, Kasi yung riders community ay they turned their backs on her. Meron siyang persona non grata, JV Ejercito is trying to disassociate himself with her. Tapos sabi pa niya wala siyang pakialam kay Gerald Memita, So parang what I'm trying to point out is that this feels disingenuous kasi kung hindi siya na pressure, kung hindi siya na corner, ito yung attitude niya na talagang ipipilit niya na tama siya kahit mali naman talaga siya. And yun yung nakakaasar, Kaya parang wala na siyang choice, Nakita niya lahat galit sa kanya. Doon lang niya naisip na mag-apologize, right? So that's my take.
Okay ka na ba? Tanggap mo na? Ha?
Tanggap mo na, wala ka nang magagawa.
Pupuntahan na namin. Yan, dito na kami sa work area ni Mang Jimmy. Hopefully maabutan namin siya. Tayo na lang daw. Pasensya na po talaga. Pero gusto ko kasi personal mangingi ng pasensya si Yana.
Again, kudos to this guy.
Public apology.
Kudos to him.
Makikita nila pero iba pa rin yung personal.
Tama yun. Wala pa rin, pero kailangan na namin kasing bumaba. So, mamaya na lang, gagawa na lang ang public apology video to. Ha? Okay. Baba na. You know what this is? This is clearly a case of fucking around and finding out. Okay? So let this be a reminder to everyone. Be mindful of your actions, okay? Especially on the road where cameras are all over the place. Okay? Hindi porket influencer ka or meron kang kaibigan na senator, you're feeling you're above the law. Okay? Humility really goes a long way. Kung nagparaya ka na lang, nag-apologize ka, or there's an angle na parang maiipit ka ng sasakyan, kausapin mo ng maayos, right? Pareho naman kayo may mali siya, may mali ka rin. You could have gone both on separate ways na walang issue. Okay? And you would still have your fans believing in you and serving as a good role model. Mas maganda kung yun pa yung na-upload na video no? Versus dun sa nagmayabang ka pa, pinakyo mo yung tao, wala ka na nga side mirror, ikaw pa yung nagmamalaki, right?
Pasensya na po ulit.
To grow is to be accountable. Earlier, di po namin naabutan si Kuya Jimmy Pascual sa bahay niya at sa work niya to personally apologize. So, I would like...
Alam nyo, I have this feeling, I might be wrong, baka hindi na lang siya hinarap nung ni engineer, right? Kasi there's a post na magkakaso na lang, no? Parang yung anak ng engineer, right? So there, it could be possible na ayaw na lang nilang humarap, right? Kasi it was really offensive lalo na nandyan pa yung reel sa FB mo na sabi mo ang pangit ng pickup truck mo, umayos ka, right? Tas you talked over the person right? So ayun, kung ayaw niya lumabas, ganun talaga, salanan mo yun
to take this opportunity to say sorry to Kuya Jimmy for what I've caused. And of course, as well as to those people who got dragged into the issue, sorry din po sa citizen of Zambales, the riding community, especially the off-road community. This issue
everybody
is
turned
all
their
on
backs
me.
on her.
I'm still learning. This one especially the hard way. I promise to be more patient next time, especially on the road. And I'll listen to my ates and kuyas.
You should.
Na-feel ko na po yung mundong maraming galit and ayoko na pong maulit po yun. Again, sorry po at pasensya po ulit. Maraming salamat po.
So again, might be too late, but I hope she learns her lesson. She apologized, okay, that's good. Move on and be a better example next time. I guess that's it. Okay. So okay guys, what do you think about this apology video? What can you say about this? Let's chop it up in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much. Ride safe. Peace.